All right, guys, let me start by saying I already did the other side. Today, obviously you can tell by the title of this video, we're gonna plasti dip the two front fender stripes on the Camaro. I already did the other side. Did I just say that? I might have just said that, but it looks great. I'm pretty happy with the results. In the last video, I tried the vinyl. I got a lot of air bubbles under it, and I didn't like how it looked. So I figured I'd go ahead and try the plasti dip, and I like it a lot more on overall finished product. So on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and make a video on it, show you guys how to do it. If you've already been looking up how to do it, show you guys another video on how to do it. You can deal with it. I know last video I said I was gonna do the plates on the back windows next video, but I lied. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on that, and then the next video will probably be on the back plates, and then after that I'm probably gonna be reviewing another product. So stay tuned for that, and let's get started. So I will say the only thing I did wrong on the other side is I waited a little too long in between coats. I just tore all the tape off of it, and it looks a little jagged on the edges. We're gonna see if that doesn't kind of, I don't know what that was, fix itself when it dries. So start with the first coat. So this first coat is supposed to be about 50% coverage, so we're gonna try to get a pretty even coat on it and see how that works. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like a cloud over the rest of the car. That's kind of cool. There's first coat done. I'm gonna give it about 5 minutes to kind of cure up a little bit, and then do the next coat. Alright guys, GoPro overheated during coats 3 and 4, I think it was, so I'm going to go ahead and do the last coat here and then a final coat, and then I'm just going to actually just show you guys the final, like undoing the tape and everything, so that way I can actually get the video and not have to deal with taking this inside and cooling it down and everything. So I'm going to finish up these last 2 coats here, and then I'll show you guys the untaping of the product, and hopefully it won't be too dry. There will be some overspray because my tape came up in some places, but I did that on the other side too, and it just, microfiber will bring it right off because it's just rubber. So yep, I'll see you in a second. Alright guys, the last 2 coats are done, so dealing with a little bit of heavy coats. They're kind of running a little bit. You can see like a little wave in it. I don't know if I'm even going to keep these on here, so I'm just doing it more for the video. I'm going to go ahead and take the tape off, and we'll see how it turns out. So like I said, there's a little bit of overspray there in the middle. You can kind of see that kind of came over, and then over there the tape kind of came up. That's that little run I was talking about. But I definitely got the tape off a lot quicker, which definitely did help with the peeling of the plasti dip. You can see the edges are a lot sharper over here. I'll show you the other side, see if you can see it. Over here you can kind of see they were kind of torn off. It's really bad on the bottom, like over here. See that? That's definitely not good. I don't know if those will kind of cure on there. We're gonna find out, but I'm gonna let those kind of fully cure, get the overspray off, and then kind of clean up the car, and then I'll get back to you and show you guys like a final review. So yep, see you then. All right guys, so overall review of the plasti dip. I'm a fan of it. The only reason that I'm such a huge fan of it is it's not permanent, so you know, you can't really mess anything up. I kind of got the stripes cleaned up and everything, and I'll probably drop a video of that right here or something. problem is you have to put too many coats on to keep it thick enough to peel off, and then it dries by that time, so you're kind of left with some rugged edges. I might do some more research and figure out how to fix that. I might just peel it off and get it professionally done. I don't know yet. If I do, I'll have them paint the car like that though, or possibly put finals on it. I don't know yet. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. It's a pretty good product. Would I do it again? Yeah, I might do it again. I don't know yet. We'll see. But other than that, this is probably gonna be the end of the video. I got a couple more coming out pretty soon, so probably within the next week or so, I'm gonna have probably 2 more videos coming out. So stick around, stay tuned for that, and you'll see more projects on the Camaro. See you then.